Welcome guys, in this session I'm going to show you how you can set up your environment for making Flask application in Python. So I have opened Visual Studio Code right now. Okay, and first you have to click on open folder and you have to navigate to any one particular folder where you want to create the Flask applications. So I have a folder here in H drive called as Flask applications. So here I have first app, second app, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new folder called as third Flask app. Hit enter. Okay, and just open that folder and click on select folder. So that folder is going to start like this. Now what you have to do is you have to go to terminal and click on new terminal. So you'll be inside that particular folder right over here. Okay, the first thing what you are going to do is you have to create a virtual environment in which you are going to install the Flask libraries. So first to install the virtual environment, you just have to say pip install virtual env, means virtual environment. Just click enter. It is going to say if it's already there, it's going to say requirements are satisfied. If it is not there, it is going to download. Now you have downloaded the virtual environment. Okay, you have not created a virtual environment yet. Okay, so first what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a virtual environment by using this keyword, that is virtual env, which we have already installed, and now we have to give the virtual environment's name. So I'll just say like this, Guru uh, third Flask app. Okay, this is going to be the virtual environment's name which I'm going to create. So just hit enter and it is going to create the virtual environment for us. Okay, now what it is going to say is we are going to activate this particular virtual environment. So you just have to write that name, that is Guru third Flask app, then put a backward slash, then write scripts scripts backward slash activate, enter, and it is going to start. Okay, if you get some error like this, which means we have done some mistake while installing or creating the virtual environment, or else here on the left side you would have seen the virtual environment's name. Okay, so first of all let's check what mistake we have done. Okay, we are TUL Flask app creating virtual environments. Okay, it says like this, and it says Guru third Flask app. Okay, see guys, here we have made a spelling mistake. Okay, it's not Falsk, Flask. Okay, so here this was the name and I have typed the name wrong. So let me just copy that name from there itself. Okay, paste it over here so that I don't make the spelling mistake once again. And again, you just have to say the virtual environment's name, then put a forward slash, backward slash, then scripts backward slash activate. Hit enter, and as you are seeing on the left side, you will be seeing this particular name, which indicates that we have activated our virtual environment. And in this virtual environment, we are going to install the Flask libraries. So to install Flask, we just have to say pip install Flask. Hit enter, and it is going to connect to internet and it is going to download all the Flask libraries which is required for the application. So now Flask is totally installed in our system. So as you can see, our virtual environment's name, that is Guru third Flask app, it's you're able to see in that one, and inside that we have our scripts file, and inside that we will be having that activate file as well, activate.bat. Okay, using which we have activated our virtual environment. Now you have to create a file. Okay, the main file which is going to run your app, so that is going to be a Python file. So you can name anything. So I'm simply going to name it as app dot, its extension is going to be py, means it is going to be a Python file. So first of all, what do we need is we have to import the Flask into this particular file. So you have to say like this. Okay, I'm going to import, okay, this class called as Flask. Okay, from where we are importing that library also we have to mention towards the left side. So I'm going to say from Flask library, Flask. Okay, we are going to import a class called as Flask. Okay, so that's why, see guys, module name, package name, everything is going to be in the small letters. So here F is small letters, and this is the class name. So on the right side it is going to be the class name. So F here is in capital. Okay, so what I'm going to do is we are going to use this class name flask flask, and inside that we are going to mention that this is the name of the application which we are going to run. So we have to say like this, underscore underscore name underscore underscore. Okay, so this is the way we are mentioning to the Flask that this is the name of our application which we are going to run, and I'm going to store this inside a variable. Let me keep it as app itself. So our Flask app, I have named it as app itself. So this is the way we have to mention before writing any code into our application. Okay, so right now what we have to do is we have to create the first home page or first the index page of our web application which it is going to start. Okay, and the URL of the application we have to mention first. So how to mention that URL means we have to say this annotation at the rate app dot route, route route. If nothing is entered, which means just forward slash means we are not going to enter any kind of URL, okay, in the beginning, but it is going to start the front page of the application. That is going to be the index page of the applications, and to open that we have to create a function. I'll simply say show index page. You can name anything, and it is going to return, okay, it is going to return you your HTML code. Return in single quotes, I'm going to say in h1 tag of HTML, saying that this is the starting page of the application. So this is the starting page of the application. That's it. Save the program, and to run this program, okay, to run this program, all you have to do is you just have to come to the terminal and you have to type flask run. That's it. So you have to say flask space and run, hit enter, and it is going to start your application in this particular URL. So just copy this URL, go to any one of your browsers and paste it in the at the top. Okay, so let me come here and let me enter that URL and hit enter, and as you can see our starting page has just opened up. So let me just maximize both of the screens so that it will be visible like this, and let me just maximize this window so that the code we can see properly. Okay, so this is the starting page of the applications. See guys, uh, just forward slash means this will be the applications. We have not created any kind of pages, but now if you want to create any other pages just like this only, let's suppose I want to create a contact page. So you just have to create a one more function just like this, and after this particular URL you just have to put a forward slash. Okay, you just have to put a forward slash and type contact. Okay, and it is going to show the contact page. So now here when you are making the contact page, you just have to say contact, and that is going to be the URL to show the contact page. And here the function name I'm going to change it to show contact page. Okay, so here I'll just change this h1 to this is the contact page of the application. So let me just save it. Okay, and as soon as you save it, okay, we will have to stop the server. Just press Ctrl C at this particular terminal and it is going to stop the terminal, because we have made some changes into our app.py file. Okay, then once after stopping the server, you will have to start the server once again. You just have to say flask run, hit enter, and it is going to start the application once again. And here let me just go from the starting page itself. So first this is going to be the starting page, and now since I have a contact page, for that a URL is going to be forward slash contact. Then if I hit enter, as you can see we are on the contact page of our application. Okay, now every time if you don't want to restart your application like this, Control C and then again restart by entering flask run and all those things, then we are going to mention one more code over here, that is going to be the name of the main module which it is running. Okay, you just have to confirm whether like this, if the flask okay, flask name of the application underscore underscore name, okay, if it is equal to the main program which it is running. Okay, so underscore underscore main underscore underscore. If this is the way, you keep on running your app. So your app name is, I have kept it as app itself dot run you have to do. And if there is any kind of mistakes or anything, you can give this debug, okay, debug equal to true. Okay, we can run it in debug mode also. Okay, now when I save this, okay, now all you have to do is once just close this app, means close the server. And now if you have to run this file means, you just have to say to Python that you have to run this app.py file. That's it. Okay, let me come to the terminal and just type python app.py file, hit enter, and it is going to start the server at this particular URL. Okay, now let me come up here and just let's go to the starting page. See guys, it's starting right now. And if I make some changes also, see guys, if I simply remove of this, okay, I'm going to say this is the contact page. Okay, now I don't have to stop my server once again. Okay, just save your file, and it is, see, it naturally automatically it updated the file. Okay, updated, and it is restarted the server also. And now if I go to like this, it is going to start the application, and then / contact, it is going to show me the contact page as well. Now let us create more pages. So just like this, let me copy this, and just like this, let me create one more about us page. So the URL for that, I'm going to keep it as ABOUT about us page. Okay, and here function name you have to change, show ABOUT about us page. Okay, and here I'm going to mention this is the about us page. Let's save it. And now to go to the about us page, you just have to say, just remove that contact from there and just type the URL ABOUT us, hit enter, and it is going to take you to the about us page. Okay, so this is how you set up a Flask application and create multiple pages inside your app. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next ones.